once again, I am back with another video. This is your girl Vivian, and I'm just going to do this quick in and out show and tell review of two bags that I purchased, two backpacks that I purchased, I'm sorry, a couple of days ago. It's by Michael Kors, and one of them I purchased on michaelkors.com, and the other one I purchased on Dillard's, because Dillard's have a pretty much good sale. So let's get into this video. Just gonna be quick, short, in and out show and tell of what I have. So this first one I purchased on michaelkors.com. Once again, I want to thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you to all of my subscribers who's been with me for quite some time. And if this is your first time watching or visiting this channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get into it. This one is from michaelkors.com. This is the Michael Kors large Abbey backpack. This is how it looks. Has the large front pocket here. This is the back and the straps. This is not my favorite. I really don't like this one. I don't know, online I liked it, but then when I got it, it's too big for me. It's really big, and the way it fits on my back it makes me feel like I'm fatter than what I already am when I wear this bag. But this is the front pocket, and I'm gonna show you the inside. Y'all, I kept all the stuff in it, so I do apologize. I'm gonna try to take some stuff out. But as you can see, have a little zip on the inside. It does have two slip pockets. Let's see if I can show y'all. Two little slip pockets. It's a pretty nice size. Hold on, y'all. It's okay, but me personally, it's too big. But I mean, on michaelkors.com, for the price, it's a really good price. It's on sale for a nice price. But my favorite that I recently purchased, which is a good size for me, this is the Michael Kors Medium Rhea in blue. And y'all know blue is one of my favorite colors. Blue is my favorite color, and I love this blue, y'all. It's blue with the gold trimmings, as you can see. This is it. It just came in today. This is it right here. Okay, and in the front it has a little pocket in the front, you can see. And then it has another pocket in the front. You see here. This one was also on sale, and I'm glad I got it for the price I got it for this week, because now I'm looking on Dillards.com. This is the last color that's in stock, and the price went up. So I did good, y'all. Okay, so and this is the next zipper part. I'm gonna try to take some of these things out because it just came in today. Okay. Oh, and then it come with the bag. So yeah, as you can see, and it can be returned, y'all, because it was on clearance. So this is the little zipper part, and then there's a pocket in the back, and there's the two little slits, if you can see it. And it does come with a protective bag. That's a plus for me. Whenever I buy Michael Kors, I look for that. So that's all, y'all. Just wanted to come do a quick just a quick show and tell of my new bags that I purchased. But out of all of them, this is going to be one of my favorites. I love the color. It's a nice size. I just feel like the Abbey, it's really nice. I love the color. That color goes with everything. The only thing is it's too big. It's really too big. And I feel like when I'm wearing it on my back, I'm telling you, it makes me fatter than what I already am. I don't like it. So this is a pretty good size. This one here, which is, it is the Rhea. It's the Michael Kors Rhea Medium. So that's all, y'all. Just wanted to come do this quick show and tell of my 2 bags that I purchased. I am keeping my eye on, it's another one that I see online on Macy's.com. It's the Michael Kors Jet Set Large in the color bright red. And you know, red is another one of my favorite colors. Not all shades of reds are my favorite, but like a very vibrant bright red. Oh my God, I love it. And I see it online. Oh, I think I'm gonna get it, y'all. I just have an addiction. just don't pay me no mind. So I do thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to come do this quick show and tell of my 2 new backpacks that I purchased over the week. I do thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Once again, if this is your first time watching, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And once again, y'all, be safe. Have a great weekend. Once again, follow the rules. Stay at home. If necessary, if y'all have to go in and out of the store, do that and go right back home, y'all. Stay at home and be safe. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Have a great and safe weekend.